Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Sort data not using the sort command. Interesting, huh? How do we do that? Let's take a look. Couple of tools. We're going to use small. We're going to return the k smallest value. Rows. Here's an application where we're going to use the rows and expanding range. We're also going to go high to low. We're going to use golf scores. We want low to high. Hit F9 just to see what's going on here. Go over here to the right. Use active. You can actively sort a list of numbers in ascending or descending order. Small, golf scores. Here we have golf scores, name range, B5 to B14. Rows. I have beaten this. Well, I have emphasized that we're going to use rows on an ongoing basis. Well, here's an application. What are we doing? Small, golf scores, rows. Well, rows is going to do what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then what's going to happen? Well, small is going to come in. It's going to do what? It's going to identify the smallest number here. Well, let's look. Golf score, rows, B5 to B1. Small is going to find the smallest number, and then rows is going to put them in 1 through 10. Here we have this array, F9. It's going to find 68. It's looking at 68. Golf scores, the array, F9. Stop for a second. What's small doing? It needs to find, it's using an array, B5 to B14, and it's looking for K. Where is K? K is going to be this number right here. If you hit the wrong thing, this help thing is going to come up. We're looking for two different. We have a nested function here. We have rows, but actually we're looking for K. What happens is the array is going to be rows, which is going to be 1. Why? Because it's already in order, F9. Small is going to look for this row, and then it's going to put this golf scores, and it's going to look for 1. Think about it for a second. What are we doing? Small golf scores row. This is going to be row 1. Any way you pick it. So golf score, we're going to look at golf scores. We're going to look for number 1. What's small going to do? It's going to find small, the smallest number, which is 65. We go here, that's row 2. Forget row, think about K. K is what? 2. How do we find 2? Well, row B5 to B6 is 2. So small is going to find number 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on and so forth. And here it's probably reversed. It's probably going to find large. It's going to find 88. And ties, it just selects the next. The purpose of the small function is to extract the nth smallest value. Remember I said we're using nth here. We're using k, one and the same. All right. As the second argument, n's value is specified. To obtain the smallest value with small, enter 1. The second smallest value, enter 2. Enter 3. In this example, the name range is golf score. The primary challenge in this example is to increment the nth value. This is achieved by expanding the range within the row. This is going to be 1. We're going to cut and paste, and we're going to put that right here. Isn't that what we just did here? And we know it's going to be 1. We're just going to copy that down because of our absolute and relative values. We can copy this down, and in the end, we're going to have B5 to B14. And we know if we count this, it's going to be 10 right here. B5, B14 is 10. Small is going to find 10. That's how we do that. You can read this and practice on your own. Here in the anatomy, the key thing here is understanding K or N, how row fulfills that K. Large is just the change here, is just we put large. And then rows, we've practiced enough with rows that you should remember this. If not, go back to the beginning of this section, the small or large, which there's 9 different examples, and keep practicing. Brad Williams, Excel Prime.